just a few short days or whatnot. I mean, maybe longer than that. I don't know. I'm not good at keeping time. But I'm on my way to work this morning in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. But exciting news. Not only will you have some primitive cooking videos coming up, because me and my husband are heading out, husband and I are heading out like deep in the backcountry part of South Cumberland at a Stagecoach Road campsite. We're gonna have to hump it in about 6 or 7 miles from our car. It's gonna be really exciting. But primitive cooking is my all-time favorite hobby, and this one's gonna be even harder for me because we're so far from the vehicle and we're gonna bring less, so it's gonna be like, you know, more native style cooking, which I'm excited about. Also, in this video, I am going to attach me and my girlfriend Jessie eating at Coco's because it's delicious, but it's not the best because I'm moving around. But I'm glad that she got to review with me, and I think I got some other little things that I'm just gonna stick in the middle, and it's all gonna be one video together. So enjoy. Okay, so today we have a co-star kind of food, and we are at Coco's West, which is one of my favorite places in town. And look at this. It is ravioli fungi ravioli. And there's walnuts, pancetta, mushrooms, and Alfredo sauce. And mimosas. Because it's the day after Halloween.
Very important. And we're hungover and need the hair of the dog. So, and I don't think, we were talking about it earlier, I don't think me and Jessie have ever sat around and drank wine like you know, frou-frous. Look, she's even on the glass. You have to admit, that it makes you feel fancy. It is. You feel fancy with your wine glass. You know, instead of my red Solo cup that I end up with everywhere else we go. So, cheers to Sunday food day.
You don't, like, half the time you